Some of you older folks might recognize this. It's a Smith & Wesson Model 36 Chief Special, chambered in .38 Special. And this one belonged to my grandpa back in his Navy days when he was a chief after the Korean War back in 1955. It has a gorgeous blued steel finish. Walnut check stock. And it has like a 10+ pound trigger pull, but it is double action, so if you cock the hammer back, it goes down to like a few pounds. 38 Special 5-round capacity. This is how you eject the spent cartridges. Here you can see the sights, and it's pretty hard to shoot if you have old eyes. I will post a video of me shooting this, so make sure you check that out. And all of you that want sword videos, they're coming. Alright, thanks for watching.